ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. A couple of special announcements, guys. So this Sunday, I've been telling you about it, it's finally gonna happen. My best of video. This is gonna encompass some of my greatest moments on my channel. It's gonna have overseas railways, it's gonna have abandoned railroads, malfunctions. It's gonna be 55 minutes long with commentary. I'm dropping it on Sunday, so you guys, most of you guys are gonna have the day off, so you can plan your day around it. Get your popcorn ready, your soft drinks. Sit back and enjoy. 55 minutes long. If you guys like it, let me know and I'll make more of them in the future. Okay, then the video you guys are gonna see today, I've never seen anything like it. Like they had those construction pails over it, over the crossing, over the masts and the E-bells. I've never seen anything like it. This line is full of mysteries. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy the video. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. Now, can you guys tell me what's wrong with this picture? I've seen many things in my life before, but what the heck is this? I don't think a person put that up there unless maybe like if LeBron James came and shot that up there. So that had to, and maybe one, but two of them, it's too much of a coincidence. In my opinion, there's something more that meets the eye here. So you have your staple offerings here to the saints. Trackview South, CSX Homestead Subdivision, the last 12 miles which are abandoned. There you have the relay case. There's no power to it. To Southwest 256th Street. Okay, and there you have a nice little apocalyptic bar like Mad Max style. Here you have the old seaboard style wooden crossing, which is an endangered species. And then I found this, I think it was a couple years ago when I came film over here. God, look at it. Hitchhikers hate those. So this used to be a spur back in the day. Here you can see the ties. There's a tie plate right there. Rail. Trying to look for a date on them, but no luck. Okay, and then here we again see the bucketed crossing. I don't know if they put that there in an effort to prevent theft of the bells. Actually no, because there's no bell on that one. SafeTran signal base. Emergency contact info. Before the call number, tell them, hey, you guys have a bucket over the bells. What's going on with that? So then that spur came from over there. There you see where it was paved over. You can see the indent on the asphalt. And it came over here somewhere. You used to be able to walk over there, but not anymore. I did not bring my AR-15 with me today, and I'm not gonna walk in there. This is truly a sad sight, guys. So this is the north side of the crossing. That there's the south side. I'm gonna venture to walk in here. Oh my God, wow. That great crossing. Maybe it's trying to be fashionable, like they're trendsetters and they put some Accessories on crossings, is that the new thing nowadays? Do not know. Have you guys ever seen something like that before? If so, please let me know. I'd love to know what that represents. This one still has the EBO on it, yeah. This old man stopped. He thinks something's gonna come through this crossing. Think not. So let's take one more look at this oddity here. This is something like out of a Twilight Zone. All right, guys, let me know what you think of this video and the CSX Homestead sub. Said sub if you haven't. Give you one last look at the old Seaboard wooden crossing here, and one more look at this oddity. Take care. See you guys next week. Bye bye.